Hello, my name is Stephanie Hagen and I am a realtor with Premier Sotheby's International Realty here in Tampa, and I work on the Tina Newbie team. I'm joined today by our beautiful lender,
Elvira Cardona from i3 Lending.
And we're going to be talking today about your mortgage loan options. There's a few, so stick with us. We've got conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, bank statements, and jumbo loans. We're going to start with the most common, and that is the conventional loan. I'll let Elvira take over.
So conventional loans are for borrowers who actually have a higher credit score and they have quite a bit of cash reserves.
And with that one, I know that the common misconception is that you have to put 20% down. Is that true?
Though that is not true. The 20% down is to actually prevent private mortgage insurance, what we call PMI. And that insurance is to insure the lender in case the buyer defaults on the loan. You can actually put as little as 3% down on a conventional loan. The way you can get out of the private mortgage insurance is either refinance and make sure that your house, the loan to value is 80% or less, and if it drops a certain level of loan to value, your PMI can actually drop.
Awesome. So let's move on to FHA, where I know you don't have to put 20% down. Is that correct?
Correct. Now those are actually for borrowers who have a lower credit score and less cash in their pockets. Now they can put as little as 3.5% down. They will be paying what we call mortgage insurance premium. And again, how to get out of that with this particular program, you would have to refinance, get out of it and go into a conventional. And of course, the loan to value has to be 80% or less.
Awesome. So our next loan that we're going to talk about is the VA loan. And this is something that's awesome and that's offered for our servicemen and women. Thank you for your service. Again, if you want to give us an idea of what that is.
With the VA loan, you do not need to put any down payment, so it is 100% loan to value. The only thing that you will pay is the closing costs.
And with that one, is there any PMI or MIP?
Nope, there is no mortgage insurance required.
So let's get into USDA. A lot of people are not sure about this one.
So USDA, that actually stands for U.S. Department of Agriculture. These are for people who actually want to buy in areas where they actually want to raise chickens. You don't have chicken coops. So what we do with those is we want to make sure that there's income limits. We want to make sure that it's in the USDA map, the actual property, because with this program there is some restrictions regarding areas and income, as I said earlier.
Okay, and what about bank statements? What's that all about?
So bank statements for small business owners who actually don't file a W-2, they get a 1099, and what it is we require, like, let's say 12 months or 24 months bank statements, and we actually determine income based on certain deposits that come into their account.
Our final one is jumbo loans. We'll give you a little breakdown on that.
So jumbo loan is actually for borrowers who actually have plenty of cash reserves and they actually need a loan that's over our conventional conforming limit, which is $647,200. With this jumbo loan, we can actually loan up to $3 million.
So those are just a breakdown of what you can expect with those loans and those programs. These are amazing programs, and your lender is going to know the right program to fit for you. Now, I just want to say, we talk about down payment, we talk about private mortgage insurance, but those are not the only financial responsibilities you're going to have. You're also going to have closing costs, which is roughly about 5% of the sale price on your contract. And as well, you want to make sure that you put a couple of $100s, well, a little bit more than that, maybe $500 to $800 put away for inspection. These are important costs that you always need to factor in. And that's why it's important to have a team guiding you and educating you. So on the day you show up, you're not surprised by anything. You already know what to expect. You've got your finances in order and you're ready to go. So thank you so much, Elvira, for joining us. We're going to continue doing some more videos. We want to make sure that you're educated. We want to make sure that you're making this decision smart. So don't hesitate to call us. If you have any questions, give us a call. We will happily help you. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to see you on the next one.
Bye.